Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, and today's video is going to be about how you can enable dark mode for Snapchat on your iPhone device. So this is going to be a quick tutorial, and now let's get started with the video. So first of all, you have to open the Snapchat app on your iPhone, press the profile icon, and then from here you have to press the settings icon. Then you have to scroll down a bit and tap app appearance option. So here you will see three options. You can use always dark to enable the dark mode on Snapchat app, and if you want to turn it off, you can simply select always light. Alright, so that's how you can enable dark mode for your Snapchat app, and you can turn it off whenever you want. So for now, this option is only available in the iPhone devices and you will not find it in Android. But if you want to enable it for Android device, you can watch my other video. I will put the link in the description box below. So yeah, that was all for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you still have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section below. For more useful and informational content, you can also visit my website, that is getassist.net. For now, I will take the leave. We'll be back soon with a new video.